Since the tragic events of September 11th, firefighting has become one of the most respected professions in the country. And one Pennsylvania company has become one of the most respected manufacturers of fire trucks in the world. KME, or Kovach Mobile Equipment, began in 1946 when John Sonny Kovach Jr. opened a small two-car repair shop in Nesquehoning, Pennsylvania, following his return from military duty in World War II. Over the next 2.5 decades, Sonny acquired more land and took on more automobile franchises. But the business really caught fire when KME entered the field of specialty manufacturing. Sonny's son, John Kovach III, now the CEO of KME Fire Apparatus, explains.
At that time, the fire industry was a very close-knit organization, as it is somewhat today. But you couldn't just come in, you had to buy an existing manufacturer to get into this business. We bought a small manufacturer in a local town, Berwick. It was Carmar Fire Apparatus. From that, we purchased the assets of the Mack fire truck line out of Allentown, and we continued to grow. We had several other acquisitions in the fire industry, including Grumman Emergency Products and a lot of the assets from American LaFrance. We had all of the pieces and we needed an identity, and we incorporated under Kovach Mobile Equipment, or KME, Fire Apparatus, largest privately held fire truck manufacturer in the country.
KME's trucks can be found fighting fires worldwide, with trucks as far away as Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and Central and South America, in addition to those manufactured for firefighters right here in Pennsylvania. So what is it that makes KME Fire Apparatus so popular with firefighters around the world?
I believe where we've come from is being able to give the customer what they want, not tell the customer what we have.
Each and every one of the fire trucks manufactured by KME are custom built according to the customer's requests. More than 300 different cab and chassis combinations are available to meet the needs of individual fire organizations. KME is also known for taking aerial strength to new heights, anywhere from 55 to 121 feet to be exact. To ensure the ultimate in safety, KME performs extensive proof load testing on all ladders. Pete Horachak, Aerial Product Manager for KME Fire Apparatus, describes the importance of the testing.
And what it's doing is assuring us and our customers that the aerial device and design meets our structural safety factor of 2 to 1. Our aerial device is rated for a 50-mile-an-hour wind load and a 1/4 inch of ice. And as you can see, we're putting 4,677 pounds on the structure at 0 degrees fully extended, far, far above our standard operating load range. And it's proving the integrity of the design.
In addition to testing the aerials, KME also tests the ability of its vehicles to travel rough terrain. Dave Kranak, Product Manager of KME's Airport Product Group, explains.
What you're looking at here is what's considered an ARF vehicle, Airport Rescue and Firefighting Vehicle. These vehicles are designed per the FAA advisory requirements, and the test we're performing here is a 30-degree tilt table test. The reason for this test is to prove that the vehicle can perform properly in rugged terrain. Generally, airport crashes are not on the runway, they're off runway, and there's a lot of plateaus and grades that can be encountered when the vehicle needs to respond to those sorts of accidents. The truck is designed with an extremely low center of gravity and water tank. Regardless of the height of the truck or the overall look of the vehicle, the water tank sits low to the frame rail, and the actual center of gravity is quite low to the ground. Therefore, when the vehicle is tilted, the center of gravity is low enough that the forces, gravity forces are straight down rather than off to the side.
KME's attention to detail and emphasis on safety have made the company an international success in the fire and rescue industry. But even though they have satellite offices in New York, Virginia, Massachusetts, and California, The Kovach organization's heart and headquarters are still nestled in Nesquehoning, Pennsylvania.
Really, my father's been the most instrumental person in the growth of Nesquehoning as we know it today. He's brought a lot of industry into Nesquehoning besides our manufacturing facility.
A revered profession, a respected organization. KME Fire Apparatus has proven time and time again to be dependable, reliable, and powerful, just like the heroes who drive their trucks.